Hello, welcome to Naim Pro. I am Naim. In this video, I am going to show you how to integrate Etsy shop with Printful account for print on demand business. So let's start. I will create a Printful account right now. You can use this link. I will attach this link on video description. For create a new Printful account, we need to click sign up button, and here 4 options available for create a Printful account. You can use any option. I will use sign up with your email. So here I need to put my full name, and here I need to put my email, and here password, and then I just click agree. I agree, and then sign up. So I have already an account, so I don't need to create another one. I will click login, and then I will click login. Okay, it's my Printful dashboard, and right now I need to connect, I need to integrate Printful with Etsy. So I will go to store. Remember, you need to log in your Etsy this browser. I already logged in. You can look here, this my Etsy. I already logged in, and right now I will choose platform, and I will connect Etsy. So I will choose Etsy, and then I will click connect. And if you want, you can check this video. I don't need to check it. Just scroll down, and then you can look on red button connect to Etsy. I will click here, and you can look Etsy said that an application would like to connect to your account. So I don't need to read it. You can read it. I will click grant access. Okay, and now here you can look you already have an account. Continue with your this email. So I will continue with this Printful account for integrate this Etsy shop. I will click continue, and again confirmation connection. I need to click connect store to. Okay, right now my Etsy and my Printful is connected. So now I can list product by Printful on Etsy. So you can look store here. I can click store, and then I can show you. You can look here, this Etsy shop is connected with this Printful, so it's active. Everything is great. So now I can create product template, and then I can publish product on Etsy. I hope this video is helpful for you. So make sure you can subscribe me, and then like this video and comment now your problem. I will solve your problem, and you can visit my portfolio naim.pro. So thanks for watching.